Hello guys, welcome back to Home Decor Hub. Traditional plant stands seem to come in two styles. Those mid-century modern ones that stay low to the ground and fit just in one big pot, and the more bookshelf style bamboo unit with a few shelves that can hold a bunch of smaller plants. Both styles can be good looking and super functional, but they are also a bit limiting. Thankfully, a plant stand can really be any object you can place a plant on, and one swipe of the internet will reveal that you can put plants on lots of things. If you have a medium sized plant teetering off the edge of your window sill, why not put it on top of a stool stit or a bar cart or floating shelves? If you are a bit of plant hoarder with every square inch of floor and table surfaces covered, you can use rolling utility carts, shoe benches, or bookcases to better organize your collection. No matter what kind of stand you choose, you will want something that has an open design to let in light and that can support a decent amount of weight and hold up to the occasional water spill. Make your plant the centerpiece of your home. With this dramatic plant archway between the different size shelves and the hook for hanging, you will find a spot for every plant in your collection with this stand. This type of version is the same concept and will accommodate the same size plant, but it will suit your space better if your accents are more brass than wood. A plant stand is higher than an ordinary flower pot. Placing plants in a plant stand leaves space on the floor and between the stand. This way you can place twice as many plants in one place. It is also true that a plant stand often has room for more than one plant. Plant stands are great to elevate the look of any indoor plant. They make small plants appear tall and help them make a bold statement